Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how we can create some chair with hand shape form. So I'm going to open the SketchUp and I choose simple mode video meter unit. At the first, I'm going to delete this character. I click on the rectangle and I want to draw some rectangle. But before I do it, I want to change my unit setup. I come to the window, model info, and in the unit I want to change it to the centimeter like this. I close it, I select rectangle, and I want to draw some rectangle with um 60 centimeter to 60 centimeter. So I'm going to type it at the dimension box and I press enter like that. Now I want to extrude it a little bit, so I'm gonna click on the push or pull. I want some extrude about 8 centimeter. I need some type of offset. For this offset, I want to click about 6 centimeter, another offset for the beveling, and I want to select 2 centimeter like this. So if I want to bevel this face, I must at first select it. At the step 2, I want to click on the move. Now I press Alt on my keyboard. I choose one of these points, not important which place. Left click on it and push it to the blue direction and type the number you want to bevel it. For example, 4 centimeter, something like that. Alright. Another offset about something near 2 centimeter like this. And now I want to draw some type of, I think, circle. From the midpoint to another midpoint, I left click on it. I choose the circle, midpoint of this line. I want to draw a circle with 17 centimeter radius. I click on the eraser option and I want to delete these extra lines in here. So these segments are not really smooth. So I'm gonna click on it, open the paint bucket, and at the default tree we have a penalty info. I want to increase the segments from 24 to 48. I type 48 and I press enter. Now you can see the edge of this circle is much smoother than the past. So I click on the line. I want to draw some line from the center of my circle on blue axis about 26 centimeter, and another line from this place to this place, another line from this point on blue direction about 4 centimeter, and I click on the line on the green direction. I want to draw some line with something about 8 centimeter like that, and I want to click on the 2-point arc. So I want to create some profile like this. It's very important in which direction you want to draw the 2-point arc. The place you can see the pink line, it means you drawing 2-point arc correctly. I want to budget about 2 centimeter like that. Now I want to choose these edges like this. And after I select them, I just want to click on the follow me, and follow me wants me to choose the face or profile. I click on that like this. So I click on it. I want to create some group. Right click on it and make a group. So I press the rectangle line from this place to this place, and I click on it. I want to move it on the blue direction, something about this part like that, about 26 centimeter. I click on the push or pull, I press Ctrl on my keyboard, and something about 10 is good, or about 5, or maybe 4. So now I want to create the hand shape for this chair. So I'm gonna divide one of the edges to some parts. I click on this line, take some copy of it. I think the one is good, something like that. And now I click on this, move, control, copy is ready. Left click on this place to this place. We have 40 centimeters, so we have 4 fingers on the hand. And if I divide it, I think something about maybe 7 is good, like this. Now I want to extrude it, so I'm gonna click on the push or pull and extrude it like that, about 36 centimeter for this finger, another for middle finger, about 42 centimeter like this, or 40, another for other, but I think a little, I get some less lines in here. I'm gonna copy it again, something about 5, like that. 1, 2, 3. I think it's good. You must play with it to achieve to some 1, 2, 3. I think it's not good. I want to decrease it to the 4 items, like this, and copy of it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, another, like this. Alright, it's done. Now I want to extrude it. One of them about 38 centimeter, another about 40, another about 28, or 36, and another about 34 or 30, something like this. Alright, I want to delete these lines. I use eraser. So I click on these edges like that. And a little bit I'm gonna form them to the backside like this. Something about 2 centimeter. Another rectangle I will draw in here, about 6 to 6, like this. And I want to use follow me option like that. Something about main finger, about 40 and 18. So I'm gonna select these 2 lines. I press follow me and I choose my profile. So as you can see, now we have this type of chair. A little bit I'm gonna make it slender, like this, 1 centimeter. And I want to make this form for this edge like that, about 2 centimeter on the blue axis. So you can see it goes like the hand shape. And now I use the tape measure, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter like this, or maybe a little bit higher, no problem. 10 centimeter, like that. I delete this extra line. Now I want to use 2-point arc like this and draw some arc with budge about 2.8t, and I want to remove this face like that. So as you can see, we can create some type of parametric lines and shapes with SketchUp, very simple and easy. And this is our chair. You can use it in the barber shops or some other places. I want to click on this and I want to set some type of materials, about, for example, orange for the hand and golden earth for the bases. So I think it's good, not very bad, but you can make it much softer and smoother than it. So I'm going to click on it, create some group, right click on it, and we have some option names, soften or smoothen. So if you click on that, you can see soften or smooth edges. So I'm going to click on it like this. If you can't find it, you can click on the manage tray, default tray, and we have the soft edges. So I click on the soften couplers, and if I increase the degree, you can see we have much smoother shape in here. And for another one, like that, very simple and easy, I click on it, move it to the origin point like this. So as you can see, we can create this type of chair very simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and comment, don't forget it. I see you at the next session. Goodbye.